Parang welcome.
What
To
is
my
this name?
surprise, ewan ko, parang may obsessive behavior na talaga yung isa dito sa
Ate naman, I was trying to...
Ay,
Wait,
grabe, sorry na Aaron. Parang na-offend talaga siya doon.
ate.
Ay, sorry kung natamaan.
And let's not skip. Oh, yo, clean up your
Happening.
room, bro. What the?
Is it lagging?
Police approached two
No.
unknown abandoned
Did
buildings
it
with a
start?
dead
It's...
individual. A
Hindi,
bunch of
cutscene.
gag were lying around the building, and police suspect
Oh
that they used gag to lure
my god.
victims.
Yeah,
They
that's
were
me.
investigating this case for months,
How
and
do
it
you play this
seems that
game?
they are close to solving the case.
Why is your room quiet?
I'm locked in the cutscene.
Diyan mo sana.
Darkness isn't empty. Oh, Gagon? What the heck is Gagons?
I don't even know.
Oh,
Oh, okay, they're important, ate.
okay.
If we have a Gagun, we use it to revive players on a revive station. JM?
There's a starter shop.
I'm still
This looks,
watching the cutscene.
Ay, sige. We'll wait for you.
this looks good.
Wait,
Collect guns during your run,
the
use them at the
sensitivity is...
battle station, bring back phone players, and spend the shop. Hello? Nani? Like, oh, it's not good. I don't have any money, so I don't know what you want to do. If
Keep
you are
the
reading
energy
this, then you
alive.
still have a chance. Keep the energy alive. Don't stop searching every room, every corner. The batteries are all that hold the dark away. It's about, you know, up,
Wait, what's happening?
floor one, opening, flyers. No, online ako this week. I did. It's not funny anymore. Your room, get out. Nani Dusky. Okay. Okay, second floor. Wait, this game is so easy. It's like doors.
Oh,
Oh my god, wait. I'm gonna live in this room.
We can't let it be dark.
Why? Did it say that?
yeah.
Yeah.
So you
What
insert
does that
the
mean?
batteries dun sa things.
What? We can let it be dark?
Yep.
We have to put batteries.
Wait, we don't have okay.
I only have
The
one
battery.
battery.
I have...
Put it.
No, marami pa eh.
Marami pa. Hold on. Sorry, damn. That is not giving nanny. What was this? Okay, I have one. I have one battery. Let's go, let's go, let's go. The grind is on. Oh my god, the battery's going down. I'm gonna put one. Wait, how do I put it?
I feel like you just insert it. You just click hold E.
Oh, there. Okay. Nani das kia, shaka na yutai. Wait, I have one, and I have a pliers.
Oh,
Okay, the battery's going down again. What the heck? Gonna put one again. Why is it going down so fast? But I can't see shit.
oh, what's
Can't
that?
see shit. What's that?
I don't know.
Where's the auto? Where's the auto? Where's the auto? Where's the auto? Drop Gagun. There's no batteries here. Oh my god.
I got them.
No, 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 don't. Wag
Oh,
mo na maglagay.
If it's 3, let's keep it at 3.
Ano yun?
To be
10,
safe.
20, 35, 50 are like the floors you want to avoid. But let's say
10, 20, 35, 30.
no.
Oh,
10, 20,
there's
35,
2.
50.
I think you should insert 1.
Okay, put one.
Just one.
Yeah, let's keep it at 3.
How do I put it? It won't
Just
let
hold
me.
it,
Ako
hold
na,
it.
ako
It
na.
turns white, it turns white.
Ayun.
10. Gagan. I have Gagan.
Oh,
I
there's
have Gagan.
a revive station here.
Oh, wait. Why is it black? There was
Oh.
my screen.
Damn, what happened to you?
Why? What happened?
You had a box on top of you.
Oh, that's an entity, ate.
Ate, get up.
The thing jumping around.
That scared me.
Oh, we can revive.
That scared me so bad. That scared me so bad.
Wait, how do we avoid
Up.
floor 10?
Oh my god. What's
Oh,
that?
I'm not
Should we
entering
go
there.
there?
I'm not going there.
Yeah, I'm not going there. Not gonna go there, not gonna lie. Oh, what the fuck are these rooms?
Guys,
I'm
I have two
scared.
gagoons. I'll drop one. Come here.
I'm scared.
Holy shit, wait. This is actually kind of scary. I don't know what to expect.
Get Gagoons.
Come here. I have one.
9.
I have 7.
Ay! Oh, sige. Ang dami na pala
I
kayo.
have 17.
Gagoons?
Yeah, I have 17 Gagoons.
I'm gonna put one.
Yeah, put one.
Yeah, go.
Okay.
I'll explore the area ahead.
Ate, the 10. I don't know how to avoid this one. How do you avoid this?
Well, we can't avoid it for some reason. Just look down.
Keep going, Don't open the door.
Don't open the door. There's no door. Oh. Ate, we can't. We really have. Oh my god.
Mother. Holy Mother of God.
Ah, okay. That means just hide.
Holy Mother of God, what do I do?
So where is he?
I don't know what's going on.
Ate, help!
Oh,
Help me
match the symbols.
Help my ass! Help my ass! Just run around!
I don't know what's going on!
Ate, he's gonna come in his room! Get out! Oh my god, he's there! Get out the door! Get out the door! Yorum Sama-san! Tug!
Kaya
We
ba?
have to make it red. No?
Tug! Oh my god! Tug! Girl, get out!
What is happening? I'm just running around.
Ang ingay! At he's here, he's coming here! Aaron, get out!
Oh,
Get
we have
out!
to change the screen!
Ate, I can change the screen, he's coming after my ass! Ate, Yoro, get out! Aaron, he's coming here. Wait lang, I'm keeping an eye.
Triangle square.
He's coming here.
Triangle.
I'll keep watch. Aaron, get out. Aaron, get out. I'll distract him.
Isa pa!
Yorum Sama-san. Aaron, get out! Distracted by
What
me.
even is he?
I don't know where he's going now. I lost
my
him.
God. You have to change
Oh my
this.
god, he's still here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, go!
1, 2, 3,
Just click.
4.
Ingay.
Click the button. Click it.
Ate, he's...
Square circle.
I don't know where he is.
Diamond. Square circle diamond.
I don't know where he is. Okay, he's coming here, Yoro.
3 is triangle.
He's coming there.
Oh my god.
Yoro, get out.
Oh
I think this is circle. And then this is diamond. Yes. That one.
I'm not sure where. Yeah, Yoro, he's here. Yoro, get out.
Diamond, tama to. Diamond triangle. 2 more.
Girl, I don't know where he is.
Got it.
Triangle second.
You're dead?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Can you distract him,
Wait.
JM?
Okay.
Triangle.
I can't see where he is. Oh my god, he's here.
Try to search for it.
I can see you. I can see you.
Tell me if I'm safe, ah.
Aaron, I lost him.
Get
He's
out.
gone. Wait, revive Natsuko-chan.
Ate, we have to go to the reviving station. We need to revive her from there.
What's the reviving station?
What's this?
Oh, she's alive again.
Oh, wait, you revived.
I revived myself.
How? Gagun?
How much?
I don't know, but I just clicked
With,
the revive and I did it.
with Robux?
No. I don't have Robux.
I have batteries. I have guns. I have drop. What is this?
I have Krababadi.
Your mother. Nani? Nani ka?
There's a box. There's a box
Gayatin is there.
Where?
outside this
Does it,
room.
does it damage you naman, no?
Yeah, I don't think so.
There's nothing here.
Yeah, it just blackens the screen. Wait.
I'll just wait for him to get off. How do you get it off? There you go.
Ano yun, Marky? Get up.
20 is the next boss battle.
Ako na sa box.
What?
Oh my god! You're exploded.
Ate, I saw that.
Guys, I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding out.
Wait,
I'm bleeding out.
can you get this? Get this. Get that health bottle. Wait, drink this. Drink that. Drink the bandage.
Thanks.
Okay? Oh my god, girl. Girl,
I was bleeding out.
what just happened to
Why did I just explode?
your room? Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, isa na
Your
lang
room
yung
is
battery
dropping
ko.
the goods. I have 2 batteries.
Wait, where am I supposed to go?
Go up. Oh my god. Mm.
I just
Wait.
lagged. What the fuck?
I like this well. That's when you're down. Where's your room?
Am I going up?
Yeah. Why are you lagging? I have 3 batteries. I'm gonna put one. Nani ko eh? Oh. Ano yan?
Nope. That's not good.
What is that?
I think it's coming after us.
Oh my gosh.
What does it do?
Wait, it's going. Where's Aaron?
Nananidaski na siya.
What is it doing? It's gone. I don't think it does anything. What happened?
Wait lang, I'll just grab a chair, guys. I don't like this chair.
Oh my god, ate, ang dami.
Oh my gosh. Medyo that ng entity nandun.
I'll add another. I'll go in the other.
Okay.
I mean, oh. I'm not sure if it's a. Just going circles. I'm just gonna grab everything
The
I need.
battery right there.
Help. Help. Help.
What happened to
Help.
Okay, so much better.
you?
Diba?
Hello?
Okay, we got everything in that room. We're going up. We got in black.
Wait, can we go up already? No.
We can.
My gosh.
Oh my god. I have one more.
Boss fight na to.
Oh,
We,
what's
yeah, we
this?
should gather materials.
Hey, 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 hey. What's that? What's that? What's that?
What's that?
Am I hearing someone walk?
Yo, get out of there, bro.
Should I insert one? I'll insert one. Okay, that's my
Guys,
last
boss
one.
fight.
Okay, easy. Wala pa naman.
Ito, pagkatapos nito.
We can revive someone. Oh, this is cool.
Ooh, IKEA.
So what are we supposed to do? Follow the arrow. Lagging.
Oh,
Why am I lagging? Grabe yung lag.
guys, look at top left, narrow task.
Okay, I found a cube. Oh my gosh, once you have a cube, you're slowed down.
There.
Where's the scanner?
Here. Behind you. Isn't that it? Here. Oh my god.
Oh, what happened?
Ate is here again. Ate, stick with me. Ate,
Okay, I can
it's
see
dark.
shit.
Um,
Meron ka. I got one. I'm gonna scan again ah.
everything's shut down for the moment.
Where's the scanner?
Here.
It's gonna go dark for a bit.
Ate, he's here,
It's
he's
right
here,
there.
he's here. Ate, run, run, run. Ate, keep
It's
running.
right
Ate,
behind you.
keep running.
It's right
Just
behind
keep
you.
running, just keep running. It's fine. I'll distract.
I dropped an item.
Oh my god, that scared me. Ate! Oh my god, you didn't tell me you were standing.
Sir, I forgot. Oh my god, Jem. Sorry, I forgot it.
Oh my god. Hello?
Still
Your
on
heat
you.
is locked in.
Yeah,
Like,
I'll
you're very strong. Just tell me, guys. You're gonna scan. It's fine. Just run around. Around the rosy. Bring
I
around the
found it.
rosy. Bring around the rosy. Bring around the rosy. Bring around the rosy.
I found
It's
one.
lagging.
Jim!
Uh, I'm gonna tell you
Hey,
when
it's
we're
loud and then it
behind
killed
me.
me for some reason. That is it. Oh no,
No,
you're
I didn't even know he was behind me.
Can you help me?
it's
Okay,
me.
wait.
Like,
Keep helping
I
me now.
have two cubes where I died.
wait, I'm
Um,
trying to revive.
he's far from you.
It's so like
Where'd you die?
Near the scanner. Okay, I'm gonna leave you, Aaron. Go down.
Here?
my game isn't moving.
Yeah, that's south end.
Ate, wala. It's not here. It despawned.
It's there, it's there, it's there. It's on the bookshelf.
I'm alive.
No, the first one. It's behind you, by the way.
Yep. Kaya nga eh. Ate, I can't see it.
It's right there, the cube.
At it's the cube, it's signaling. Behind you.
Got it. Jem, baka mamamatay at.
Tell
I'll
me
tell
when
you
it,
where.
I'll
It's
go.
near you, it's near you.
Get
It's
out of the
behind
ano.
you. It's
Ate,
right
it's gonna
behind
be-
you.
Oh my god, I'm lagging again. Ate, it's here.
Keep going. It's
Ate,
aggro
it's so
on me.
laggy. I'll
Did
go
you get
around, I'll go
to the
around.
first bookshelf?
Sige, tell me when it's going off. Nandyan, malapit din,
It's so
JM.
laggy. Oh my god, what the fuck? Ate, I can't. I'm lagging actually.
Nandyan lang sa harap.
Ate, I can't.
Yo!
Oh, what happened?
Oh my gosh,
I feel like
Aaron.
I'm gonna die.
Ate,
Where are
didn't
you?
say. Ate, I'm dead.
Ay, sorry. We can revive. Ate, I'm lagging so bad.
You can revive once, Aaron.
Okay. Okay. Wala pa eh. Black screen pa lang eh.
Gotta look for it. Ate, wala. I'm actually lagging so bad.
I revived.
Oh my.
Nasaan yung last one, Nuts?
Where you
Wala, I
were
feel like I'm
before
gonna die.
the first bookshelf.
Ate, I'm gonna
There,
lag.
there, there.
I'm gonna hide.
Gem, it's gonna turn off ah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go lang. Ate, I'm lagging so bad. I want to hide. Like, God, the lag was so bad. Bro, what the fuck is... Damn,
Natsuko, nasa
the
ka?
lag is insane. Where are you, Aiden?
I'm through the exit.
Where's the exit?
I can see your every move.
Follow the marker.
The lag was insane though. Like,
Let's see if you revive after this. Wait, you can't revive na, Nuts.
Yeah, it cost 29 Robux.
where's the revive thing?
I don't know, I just got it for free.
I mean, the revive thing that not so found.
Ah, yung ano, yung revive station. Well, we have to open every door.
Ate, I'm lagging.
Sige.
Oh my god. The fuck is going on? Am I even going the right way?
Hello, everybody.
I got the lag, bro. Yeah. Hello, everybody. Wait, is this it? Can I revive her
You
here?
can revive. You can revive her here, I think.
Where?
It's gotta be some... Ay! Wala ate.
Yorong, come back to me. Wait,
There's like ano eh,
my
may
favorite.
indication. Ilan na lang yan? Yeah, add one. One more battery GM, wala na akong battery after.
Yoron, please come back to me.
Coming back?
Oh, what's that?
Oh shit.
Why? Yoron!
Jesus
What was that?
Christ! Oh my
Yeah, that
no,
scared
get
me.
out of here.
That scared me.
Oh my
That
god.
scared me.
Oh my god.
That scared me.
Yo. Yo, I
That
was
scared me.
genuinely so scared, ate. I put my
That
my
scared
face
me.
away from the screen. I was so
That scared
scared.
me.
Holy
That
shit.
scared me.
Oh my god. Ate, I I closed my eye. I was like,
I close
I was like,
my
bro, this is it.
eyes.
This is it. I'm dead.
Ate, parang
Putting in the last battery.
Yoron, please
No more
come
batteries,
back,
JM.
Yoron. I have one.
Okay. I don't think there's anything. Yeah, there's nothing.
Yoron, please, Yoron.
No!
Oh,
Probably not a good idea.
ha? Lagging. Lagging so bad. I'm lagging so bad.
It's okay, you're still here.
It's like FPS na.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Jerry, can you use one?
Yeah.
There's an entity outside.
Ate, what is that? Taking a bath. Ate,
Oh,
harang
there's
ko.
something there.
Ate, naharangan ako ng entity.
Ah! Ah!
There's something there.
Ate,
I'm
there's a
low.
laptop. There's a laptop.
Ate, I'm low.
Ate, itong shower na to.
Jem, I'm about to die. I can't lie.
Don't lie. Ate, get out.
Why is there a running shower?
Napaliguan si Aaron. Asing na. Power down.
Jem, I'm
What
moving
is he
so
talking
slow.
about? Don't worry, I'll go ahead. So if I die, you're alone.
What's this?
There's nothing here. I have a bandage. Bandage, do you want? Here, Aaron, take this.
Ate, my everything is like so weird. I took.
You have to use the band-aid.
Oh my gosh. Ate, that was so scary. Don't. There's a syringe there. I took it because I thought it would help me. Ate, it made the game so much scarier.
Really? I have one.
Okay.
Oh, you have one.
It's green though.
I have two.
Sige,
I have two.
I'll put it in.
Come back to me. Not so wishy. Oh,
Where's the revive
Come in, your
station?
look.
Che!
Ow!
I'm about to die.
Ate, I'm about to die. How about red? Red? Maybe red. I'm almost dead.
We need to revive
Logi
the nuts.
exploded on my face. It's giving nuts with that door. Wait, am I bleeding out?
It really was.
Oh fuck.
Jesus! That's so
Why
loud.
is that the
so
door's
scary.
effect?
Ate, I can't.
Hello?
You're much faster than me. Like ate, isang kaparinggot na lang talaga ako.
I'm scared. Ate, I went to the door. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get me out. Help!
Why?
Help!
It's right behind you.
Help! Get out. Get out!
Ate, I can't see shit. If you're looking at ate, I have no more batteries.
I have to. Ate, it's black and white for me. Ow, the shower is taking a bath with me. Stop following me, bro. Help! I'm getting abused.
JM, I can't. I gotta
Help!
go.
I'm getting abused.
I have to watch
Ate,
for...
that shower lit
Ate,
me.
we're so slow. Oh my gosh, I can't. I need to revive nuts. We need to revive nuts.
Nuts.
Yes.
You better hear.
Yung last time, JM, nasa parang bathroom siya. It was like,
Yun nga eh. What is it? Isn't it like green or
it was
something?
green, yeah.
Hello? Your room?
Yeah.
I feel like we should, meron ka bang batteries, JM? I feel like we should keep moving.
Wait lang. I'm checking the rooms. It's like, what if it's here? Ate, this is so scary. It's like black and white.
Ate, it is. I'm like seeing it. Ate, if you see my
Help!
health, oh my goodness.
Help! Help!
Put it in, put it in, put it in.
Your room. Your
Yes.
room, your room,
I
your
can't,
room,
I'm
your
gonna
room, your room.
lower down the volume. It's like
Nani?
scaring me.
Okay, I'm gonna die. I feel like I'm gonna go.
Oh
What's
my
this?
God, it's function W.
Should I go in there?
What is that
Oh, we can
music?
remove her.
I'll go. I'm like so much
I'm
more.
sacrificing myself!
Okay.
What is going on?
Wait, Aaron.
Ate, what is
I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna die, but that's fine. I'm dead.
You're dead?
Kidding. Okay.
What
I'm
happened?
so scared. I'm so scared. I literally keep taking my headphones off.
Ate, this is scary. Ate, we have 2 more battery. Wala na halos.
And I have to.
Okay, can you put one? I'll wait for you. Oh my god. Ate, we have to make this one
Why?
quick. We have to clear quick.
Problem na sa clear pit.
Oh my god, okay, 35 na. Ate, how are we
Yeah, we're
gonna
gonna
survive?
die.
We're so, like, you're so much fast. Ate, put one. Kaparingot na lang talaga yung ano ko.
I'm so scared. Ate.
Kapiranggot?
Ate, I have no
Anger.
choice. I'm like
Give me
literally,
anger.
I can't. Like,
Wala na ate, we're dead.
We're
There's
dead,
no
we're
way. Your room?
How many levels is this?
May na-climb up?
get me out, get me out. Ay, okay.
Puta. Ate, wala. We're dead.
May nakalagay.
They keep the beast alive. Girl, I can cut the chain.
How many levels is this?
I think like... Isn't it only around 30?
100. Cut the chains.
Huh? Oh my god. Ate? I can't see anything. Wait, I just saw something.
Ate, did you cut the chains already? Oh,
Ate, I'm lagging again.
what is happening?
something
I
is
can't
happening to
see
JM.
shit.
Ate, what is this? Ate, get down. I'm going down. Ate, I'm leaving. I broke it. Ate, go down.
I can't. Oh my god, this is actually scary. Ate, if
Ate,
you're
is he chasing us?
I don't know, Ate, I don't know.
Ate, I'm so confused. I'm like blacking out. Help!
Find bolt cutters to cut power
I found one.
to the generator shields. 4 of them.
Okay, I found one generator. I'm cutting it.
I found one. No,
You
we
need
to
3
revive
more.
that. Please.
You need 2
I'm about
more.
to have like a mental block. Weird.
You need 2 more.
I can't see anything.
Ate, I can't. Like, hindi ko talaga makita yung sa ano.
Like, it's so loud.
Go to
This
your
is-
right, JM.
It's over. Where? This right?
Okay, keep going.
Ate? Ate, I might die.
Keep going. There's nothing. There's nothing.
I
I'm
found
gonna die.
one.
So
Keep
scared.
going.
I'm gonna pass out. I'm
Oh,
gonna pass out.
where are you,
I'm
JM?
about to pass
Go
out.
back. Go back. Go back.
Here?
Go back to where you came from last time.
Oh, it's
Wow.
cut already. Shit. Sorry.
There's not loud sound.
It's nothing. You're just going around in circles, by the way. So
Oh.
it's fine.
Walang entity.
Nope, there's no entity.
Oh, there, I have one more pliers.
Ate, I can't find the other.
Me too. That's fine, man. Let's separate and I
Go
found
keep
one.
left.
I found one.
No, Okay.
Up to you, Aaron.
I found one. I don't know if it's broken though.
That was the one that JM found.
Ate. Come here, come here. I found it, Aaron. Come here. Let's see.
Ate, I can't. I'm almost like Ate, I'm so slow. Ate,
Take your
so
sweet
slow.
time lang.
Ate, sorry. I like
Ate,
I'm
if
so
you
low.
die, I am not. I'm leaving this game.
I can't believe there's no revive station there. Like we
Yun nga eh, ate, we...
now what? Bait
What?
Bait
into shooting the generator.
Who is that?
bait the entity into shooting the generator.
Ate, we are not baiting
Ate,
anything.
Tingnan nyo ba kaya ko
What
i-bait to
bait?
guys? Tingnan nyo nga yung
Ate,
walkie
ako yung mabibit. Si Aaron yung mabibit. Mamatayan ka agad.
Parang, ang laki na
Girl, I can't even see anything. How am I gonna bait people?
Wait, that's making it
Nani?
low. Okay, no. I want to make it low quality for the
Girl, I
experience.
can't see.
I don't even know where I'm going. Where is he?
I can't even see him.
Should we go back up or something?
We're supposed to go back up.
No, we don't. I can't go back up.
We do.
We do? How did you go up?
I went back up.
How? Oh, what?
It's so loud. I can't. It's actually so loud.
I'm taking off my headphones and I'm YOLOing it. I can't hear any of you.
Girl, it's so loud. Okay, unahan ko si Aaron.
Where ba? Mas taas pa. I'm YOLOing it.
Let me see. What am I looking at?
Where is he? Where are you? Face me. Where is
Oh, it's
he?
right in front of you guys.
Oh,
It's right in front of you. It's right in front of you.
Aaron, how do we bait it?
hello?
You have to lead it down, I think.
I'm dead. Don't tell Aaron.
Calm down. No, I think the generators are here. It's right in front of him. Where is he?
Yeah, it's there.
Ate, I can't see him. I'm so blind. Ayun.
I think he's gonna shoot you. Please
This
shoot
is
me.
a hard game for no reason.
Ay!
I think he's gonna shoot you.
Shoot! Shoot that shit. Oh! What? Nothing happened.
Supposed to be by the generator. Ay,
Oh, you're supposed to be behind the generator. I think. Ah.
um, that was something.
That was okay.
What? Aaron's dead body. No, that was so stressful.
Yeah. It's giving doors before, although doors is like, I don't know. I liked it. I'm not gonna lie.
That's a great one. How about your room?
It's okay.
GG.